TypeError, ObjectId, is not JSON serializable. My response back from MongoDB, after querying an aggregated function on document using Python, it returns valid response, and I can print it, but cannot return it. Error. Print. But when I try to return, it is RESTful call. DB is well connected and collection is there too, and I got back valid expected result. But when I try to return, it gives me JSON error. Any idea how to convert the response back into JSON? Thanks.
Bson and PY Mongo distribution provides JSON_util. You can use that one instead to handle Bson types.
You should define your own Json encoder and using it. It's also possible to use it in the following way.
Most users who receive the not JSON serializable error simply need to specify default equals str when using json.dumps. For example, this will force a conversion to str, preventing the error. Of course, then look at the generated output to confirm that it is what you need.
Actual example from JSON_util. Unlike Flask's Johnify, dumps will return a string, so it cannot be used as a 1:1 replacement of Flask's Johnify. But this question shows that we can serialize using JSON_util.dumps, convert back to dict using JSON.loads, and finally call Flask's Johnify on it. Example, derived from previous question's answer. This solution will convert ObjectId and others, i.e. binary, code, etc., to a string equivalent such as $. JSON output would look like this.
This is the sample example for converting Bson into JSON object. You can try this.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.